In today's video, I will teach you how to create a paper cutout effect in Photopea. Let's get started. First, open Photopea and create a new project with the desired dimensions. Now go to File, then Open and Place, and select your background image. Then lock the background layer by clicking the lock icon at the top of the Layers panel. Now go to File, then Open, and select the image that you want to cut out. This will open in a new tab. Now use the Crop tool to remove any unnecessary parts of your image. Then press Ctrl A to select the entire image, then Ctrl C to copy it. Then switch to your Main Project tab, and press Ctrl V to paste the image onto your canvas. Now use the Move tool or Free Transform tool, or simply press Ctrl T on your keyboard to resize and reposition the image as needed. Now press Ctrl J to duplicate the image layer. Then rename the original image layer to Cutout and duplicate the subject. Then hide the subject layer for now by clicking its eye icon. With the cutout layer selected, use the polygonal lasso tool to outline the area around the subject, shaping it as you want the cutout to look. Now complete the selection by connecting the first and last points. With the selection active, click the Add Layer Mask icon at the bottom of the Layers panel. Then hide the cutout layer and then hide the subject layer. Select the subject layer and use the Quick Selection tool and click Select Subject to make a quick selection of the subject. Then use the Add or Subtract selection options to refine the selection as needed. Then click the Add Layer Mask icon to mask out the background from the subject. Now unhide the cutout layer. Then go to File, then Open and Place, and choose a paper texture. Then position the texture layer between the subject and the cutout layers. Now use the Free Transform tool to resize and adjust the texture as desired. Now right-click the texture layer and select Clipping Mask to clip it to the cutout layer. Then change the blending mode of the subject layer to multiply for a realistic overlay. Now right-click the cutout layer and select Blending Options. Then enable the drop shadow and adjust its parameters to create depth. And make sure to enable Preview to see real-time changes. Now we're going to link the layers. Hold down the Shift key and click on the cutout, subject, and texture layers to select them all. Then click the Link Layers icon at the bottom of the Layers panel so you can move and resize the group together. Now go to File, then Export As, and choose your preferred file format to save your final image. And you're done. If you find this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload new videos.